This video is to show you what comes in the package for the Aukey 6-port USB charging station with 3.0 technology quick charge by Qualcomm. The model number on this is PA-T11. It comes with an instruction manual. It comes with a warranty card. It also comes with charging wire with USB and a cable holder. So this is your 6-port charging station. And I don't know how well you can see it. It's got 2 orange ones and 4 green ones. It comes with the charging wire, which it plugs right here in the back. And the quick charge is the orange. And if you ever forget, it does have it on the back on what does what. So I would like to demonstrate. Okay, so when it's on and charged, charge green. And I've got my USB here. And I am going to charge my phone. And right now it's at 61%. Let's see how fast it goes to 62. Okay, so you can see it's at 61%. We'll give it a second here. And watch it. I'll give you the length of the dimensions of this. It's actually not that big, not that heavy. If you ever want to take it with you. Easy to transport. It's 4 inches by 2 3/4 by 1 inch. So it's already at 62%. That was very quick. And again, that's the Aukey Quick Charge 3.0. And its ability to use it with the iPad, the Nexus 6P plus more. Thank you for watching. Have a nice night.